Managing files in a project can be overwhelming, but with auto tagging for files, zipBoard simplifies this by automatically applying tags based on file names as you upload them. Enhance searchability and organization for documents and assets. With auto tagging for files, you can tag files based on context, making it easy to find what you need. Automatically organize new uploads without manual input. Ensure shared documents are consistently tagged for team access, thereby enhancing collaboration. Here how it works. Start by navigating to the project where you want to organize files. Then head over to the Files section. Upload your files, and zipBoard's AI instantly scans each file name to detect keywords and apply relevant tags automatically. These tags ensure your files are organized the moment they're added. No extra effort required. Need to make changes? You can easily adjust the tags by adding, editing, or removing them to perfectly fit your project's needs. Effortless file management starts here. Try auto tagging for files in zipBoard today.